Oh man. Alright, so y'all just seen a video of the drone birds, right? Literally, I just showed y'all proof right there. That was Tech Insider, a Freemasonic publication conglomerate. Like, yo, what? Like, they show you the truth in plain sight, yo. That was Tech Insider, a big media conglomerate. They posted that they got drone birds out. But yeah, you got these fucking Freemasons that they pay to gaslight you and say, oh, that doesn't exist. They showed you that. That was a scientist. He made his own drone bird. So just imagine what type of, how eccentric the birds at the US government, the CIA that got billions of taxpaying dollars has. Just imagine that. How many birds they got surveilling us, constantly just roaming around us. Just imagine that. Like, yo, what do they, like, what more do they got to show y'all? Like, what more do I got to show y'all to see that this shit is all a psyop? They're watching you, they're surveilling you, they got, the government is slowly going into a totalitarian society. Like, what more do I have to show y'all? But you got these dudes that they constantly pay to fucking gaslight you, say, oh, it's a conspiracy theory. It's like, oh, you're crazy. Like, come on, like I just don't understand how stupid people are, man. That was Tech Insider. Tech Insider. That's a media conglomerate, Freemasonic media conglomerate. It's universal law. They gotta show y'all the shit that they're doing. They have to tell y'all what they're doing. It's crazy though, cause like they'll play both sides. They'll show you what they're doing, and then at the same time they'll pay these android humanoid Freemasonic people online to discredit you at the same time, to make you seem like you're crazy, even though they put the information out there. Like make that make sense. Like, yo, I just showed y'all that. This was a scientist. He made his own. So you can't even imagine what the CIA and and the Freemasons, what type of technology and drone birds they got out surveilling us. Bird, that's just birds. I can't even, they probably got insects. They probably got dragonflies, bees that are surveilling us too. Like how don't y'all see what's going on? But you believe these fucking Freemasons that they hire online to discredit you and gaslight you. But Tech Insider, that's Tech Insider. For those of y'all that don't know, Tech Insider, that's a huge media conglomerate publication controlled by the Freemasons. They're telling you that they got drone birds out. They're putting the information out there, but you guys don't want to believe it still. Oh no, they're not surveilling us. I showed y'all. Go back to my videos. I showed y'all in the nature video that I had. That was probably like 50 videos ago, that I showed y'all, constantly documenting and showing y'all that they got cameras in nature too, in trees. They hide cameras in trees and all that. But y'all still don't want to believe this shit. Like, yeah, y'all don't gotta believe me, man. Eventually y'all gonna see, man. The government is slowly moving into controlling you every day. Look at this shit. They got this fucking bug right there. It just lands right on my window. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a drone in there, if there's a camera in there too. The fuck off my window, man. Fuck. But yeah, man, like I can't make this up, man. I just showed y'all more proof, but y'all gonna say, oh, that don't exist. Like, man, y'all asleep, man. This shit was signed off by President Eisenhower. Dwight D. Eisenhower had that technology out, man. He signed off on that. They got all this technology, man. This is like, you won't even imagine the technology they have now. But they'll slowly roll that out like 50 years from now. Y'all ever watch Star Trek? If you watch Star Trek, they had Bluetooth headsets and flat screen TVs in Star Trek. That was a show back in the 80s. And now look what they got now. They got Bluetooth and they got the flat screen TVs like they showed y'all in Star Trek back in the 80s. Like they're putting this out in your face and you guys are still sleeping. Like yo, I just don't understand how stupid the mass is, yo. Like how stupid is the public, yo? Like Star Trek had Bluetooth headphones, beam me up, Scotty, and then they had the flat screen TVs. That was a show back in the 70s for y'all that don't know Star Trek. Like they had all that technology back then, and now they're rolling it out now. Now in the 2000s, they have flat screen and Bluetooth headsets. Like, come on, man. Like, why are y'all sleeping, yo? They're putting the truth out in front of y'all face, but y'all still don't want to believe this shit. Like, I don't, and you believe these Freemasons that they pay online to discredit us. Like, yo, man, I'm done, man. Y'all just keep sleeping. I'm done. Eventually, the government will show you how they're eventually slowly controlling you every day. Slowly but surely. George Orwell was right. Read Animal Farm 1984. This is slowly going into total control by the government. Like, come on, man. Y'all don't gotta believe me. Eventually, you stay alive long enough. Stay alive long enough, and they'll show you what they're doing, how they're slowly controlling you. I'm done. Look, this dude just pulls up on me out of nowhere. Just comes up here and just pulls up on me. Now he's just sitting in his car. Let's see how long it takes him to get out. Look, he's watching me. I know he's watching me. I was here as Dolo. Now he just pulls up out of nowhere. Yeah, I know he sees me. Yeah, put the shades on. That's what they always do. Wear the shades. Fucking ridiculous, man. I was here by myself, yo. As soon as I get here, not even 30 minutes alone, and they send this guy. Sick of this shit, man. Let me get out of here.